Hello, today I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of some things that are recently released for VIPRE. You may have heard a lot of whisperings about something that they're calling the SPOG, single pane of glass. It has been officially named and deployed to the environments. It is called Symphony. So I'm in my reseller partner demo account right here. If I go into one of my customers who has TEP and SafeSend Cloud, which is a newer product that VIPRE has put out onto the market, you'll see VIPRE Symphony is down here. What VIPRE Symphony is a single pane of glass that they're planning to put all of the different VIPRE security products and the entire family into, so you'll be able to go to one place to access everything. So right now you have the email gateway, the old one. If we click into Symphony, it's going to launch into IES, which is the API-driven Office 365 and Google integrated security solution. We can click back here to default back to Symphony. It's supposed to take us right to Symphony, but right now it doesn't. They are working on fixing that. But we can see IES here and VIPRE SafeSend here. You can actually click through and see some of those tools without even going into those consoles, and then we can click and launch into the full product console and navigate back and forth seamlessly between all the different VIPRE products that are currently a part of Symphony. And they'll be adding more as time goes on. Additionally, if you didn't know, there's a little get feedback, get help button here now. Being able to access VIPRE support, view all change logs, even submit feedback. When you're using the feedback feature, it'll let you take screenshots, capture recordings with audio if you need to explain something. They really like and want to emphasize this feedback button. I've used it several times. It opens tickets on their end with their PM team, and they might even reach out and communicate to you if they have questions or they need some more deeper explanation about the feedback you gave. But just a quick one wheel today just to show you Symphony and give you some info about the how can we help. Other than that, have a good one.